probably the worst idea I've ever had. But I want to take these fake nose rings and turn them into cute little eye accessories. Don't ask me how I come up with this shit, because the fuck do I know? Obviously it might not work for the fact that there's this thing called blinking, and I don't know that they're gonna stay put with the blinking, but we're gonna see if this works. I'm gonna be so amazed. Stay up. I'm like determined to make this work. I have a vision, guys. No. Stay put. It's done. And yes, I am too scared to move now. But damn, that is so cool. I love it. What do you think? Would you try this?